In the world of textile dyeing, precision is everything. Every stage, from preparation to exact dosing, directly impacts the quality of the final product. TexPes is the intelligent system that optimizes inventory control, manages production, and reduces costs. With its simple interface displaying real-time data, the weighing process becomes far more efficient. When TexPes is integrated with Technomix, productivity increases and communication between systems improves, giving you full control of the process. With TexPes and Technomix, your company will be ready for Industry 4.0, innovation and efficiency in a single system. Want to transform your production? Contact us and we'll be happy to advise you.